So, now I'm sure you've all been waiting. We're coming to the highlight of today's presentation. This bike is not just a new product in the Suzuki lineup. We are proud of the commitment, the dedication, the passion, the craftsmanship of Suzuki engineering by combining the past and the future. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new Katana. Ladies and gentlemen, just take a look at that. Genuinely the first time I've seen this bike, and it is absolutely glorious and gorgeous. So now let's talk about the details of this bike. It's now my chance to welcome up here onto the stage Mr. Nishikawa, Executive General Manager of Motorcycle Operations. Mr. Nishikawa.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Intermot Suzuki booth. Over the past several years, the European motorcycle market has continued on a recovery trajectory, with sales reaching the 1 million unit mark in 2016. And maintaining that level since. At that time, we feel that customers are becoming more particular about what they want in a motorcycle. We see this trend as an opportunity to evolve the Suzuki brand. And since 2016, have actively released new models into the market. Without doubt, Europe is the most important market for Suzuki. Our goal is to release new products that offer a new perspective on motorcycling satisfaction, while strengthening our marketing and sales network and communicating our dedication to monozukuri or craftsmanship to our customers. Now, I'd like to talk to you about the new katana on display here. As many of you will remember, there was a quite a buzz generated by the Katana 3.0 was a joint display by the Italian team consisting of Motociclismo magazine, Italian designer Rodolfo Lascoli-san, Engines Engineering SRL, and Suzuki Italy. Reflecting the response, we launched the development in Japan with aim of fast tracking the delivery of the new katana to all of you in Europe. And we are happy to here today to announce its official release. Last year, Katana 3.0 was created at Engines Engineering SRL in Italy as a prototype. Suzuki's engineers took this prototype and infused it with Suzuki Monozukuri, defining its core performance functions and turning it into a mass-produced Katana brand motorcycle created just our European customers. We are extremely grateful to Rodolfo Lascoli-san and Engines Engineering SRL for their support. Katana in Japanese is a traditional Japanese sword and symbolizes Japan's monozukuri history dating back several hundred years. The steel blade of the katana is a spiritual work of art which is created through a process of forging thousands of times. We developed this motorcycle so that European riders can experience the spirit of monozukuri embedded in sword craftsmanship. And I think people are going to absolutely love the way it rides. We are delighted to have Rodolfo Lascoli-san with us here today. And shortly, we will have the chance to talk with him about the design of the bike. After this press conference, we'll have a display area set up for the katana. I hope you take the opportunity to get a feel for the bike up close and enjoy the crafted beauty of its design. I want to take this opportunity to promise everyone that, as shown with the GSX1100 and 35 kilowatt GSX1100S and the new RMZ250 announced earlier, Suzuki will continue to listen to the voices of customers and deliver machines that speak to their deepest motorcycling desires. We have more exciting new European products releases planned for next year and beyond. So as the saying goes, watch this space. Thanks for coming here today. I hope you all have time to feast on the Suzuki motorcycle banquet we have prepared for you, and that you enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, I think you'll all agree this is a spectacular looking machine. I have to say I have some kind of an affinity with the Katana. I've been racing in the classic endurance racing season with the old Katana over there, and the way it's brought itself back to life is absolutely beautiful. So I would now like to invite up here on stage Mr. Rodolfo Frascoli-san. Thank you very much
Steve,
indeed.
how are you doing?
A big round of applause for this gentleman
Hi, everybody.
that
Hi.
designed this bike.
You got the permission.
It's beautiful. It's your baby, I'm sure, very much
Thank you so much.
so.
Thank you so much.
So please, Rodolfo, how did the project begin? How did it start?
The project started 2 years ago in occasion of Milan Fair in 2016, when I proposed to Suzuki to make a prototype of a new Katana, a concept bike, of course. Suzuki was enthusiastic of the idea, and together engine engineering, we made a working prototype presented last year, again at Milan Fair.
It's been a very exciting project, but what made you choose the Katana?
I think Katana is a fantastic value for Suzuki, something to preserve and to evolve in the future, a kind of pillar of the production range. So almost 40 years ago, when it was presented right here in Cologne, was a shock for the market, a really shock, because it was so innovative, a kind of revolution for the styling, because the body parts were connected each other, the fuel tank, the front fairing, the side panel, and the pillion, the pilot was integrated in the bike. Another revolution. So,
well, you've made a superb job.
Thank
so,
you.
which actual elements did you want to emphasize? Was there one particular part?
Yeah, the main element we will see on the old Katana, like the very tall amp tank connected to the sharp and low front fairing. And of course, the sharp, the main line that generates the name Katana, that one. Also other small detail like the rectangular headlight, the styling of the front avant-garde as well.
It's your baby. It's beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank you
very,
so much.
very
Thank
much
you much,
indeed.
Steve.
How about
Thank
it?
you.
Round of applause,
Thank
please,
you.
for
Thank you.
Rodolfo Frascoli. So, it's photograph time, and I think we would all like to welcome up here President Mr. Suzuki. Thank you for coming up. Maybe